Hi guys, today we are going to make fruit cream with Amul fresh cream. So let's see its recipe. So this one is 250 ml Amul fresh cream pack and it will cost you rupees 68. It has a shelf life of 120 days and you keep it in fridge only. So take out the Amul fresh cream from the refrigerator. Do not shake it. Now take the thick cream in a wide bowl, leaving the watery content, because if the watery content is there, it will take more time to become thick and stiff. Now you can take an electric beater or a hand whisker and beat the cream thick until the cream becomes stiff and forms soft peak. So this is the consistency of cream we are looking at. It takes around 5 to 7 minutes. And now we are going to add 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. For powdered sugar, you just grind sugar in the mixer and beat the cream again till the sugar mixes well with the cream. Check for sweetness and add more sugar if needed. Now we are going to add chopped nuts to the cream. I have taken cashew nut, almond and raisins, and then seasonal fruits of your choice. I took apple, mango, grapes and pomegranate. Now mix it gently and keep it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. And here we are. Now enjoy every bite of this delicious fruit cream. This recipe stays good for 2 days when refrigerated and you can make it for parties well in advance. And make sure, because fruits release water, so you mix it well before serving. So try this easy, quick and rich dessert recipes for special occasions and party. Enjoy and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.